up, YouTube, and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell your partners and them, because we're literally over here. Without further ado, y'all, I ain't gonna take about the thing, but I got some heart gauges. The tips of them are hearts. I'm still, in between sizes, so I'm not going to do those, put them in yet. But I got them in 2 sizes. Yeah, not sure of the sizes, but yeah. And I'm not sure if I showed this already, but yeah, this is supposed to be like a pet memorial or remembrance little situation, but I'm just getting it because I think it's cute. And yeah, basically, y'all, you can store your pet's hair in here. So yeah, even though this would have been perfect for Luna's first haircut, but I'm gonna, get it, and the next time she gets groomed, I'm gonna put her hair in here, and yeah. And all of this is from the Expressway. So those are just little trinkets, and then we got this one, y'all. This took forever. So like, they were saying that they couldn't find it. They couldn't get to the address, and all types of mess AliExpress be on. But was it worth the wait? We'll see. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is a bucket bag. When I got this, they had it actually under or with the Coach bucket bags. And I seen this, I was like, why not? It's cute. Something simple. Okay, so it comes with a top handle, and then it comes with the longer strap, so you can wear it, in multiple ways. The inside does say Fendi right there on the little pocket, and also says it on the inside of the little mesh right here. There's another little pocket. You see where it says Fendi, y'all, like right up in here. And this is cute. This is real, like, little, but it's pretty simple. It has gold feet, like that bronze goldish type of hardware. I like it. And I want to say this was only like 25 bucks on the Expressway, because I love Fendi. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Like, this was very quick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.